Okay, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to use IFERROR function. IFERROR is used when there is some errors in the formula. So IFERROR returns a value specify if a formula evaluates to an error. For example, this one, when you divide a number by, when you divide 0 by number, the answer is 0, but you cannot divide the number by 0. So when you divide the number by 0, it returns to error. So in order to remove error in the formula, you can specify what to say in your form. Yes. So for example, let's say I take this one, I take this, divide by this one. As you can see, this one divided by 10 divided by 2 is 5, but 20 divided by 0, it returns to an error because you cannot divide number by 0, but you can divide 0 by number. So when you divide 0 by number, it returns to 0. But when you divide number by 0, there is an error. So we can decide what to say if the results return an error in the form. Let's say you can use a formula that is equal to IFERROR bracket this one. So if this one divided by this being an error, comma, let's say return to sorry an error has occurred, this one. Then you drag. As you can see now, if the formula returns an error, it will say sorry an error has occurred. As you can see, this one, an error has occurred. But also you can specify either to leave space if the result return an error. So normal division will look as this one, divided by 0. So you cannot, this means you can numbers divided by 0. So in your cell formula you cannot divide a number by 0. So when you divide a number by 0, it returns an error. So in order to remove error is how you specify, or you use IFERROR function. As you see that if error, this one divided by this one, it returns an error as occurred. But you also can say if error A2 divided by D2, leave a space. If error, leave a space. If error, leave a space. This full double quotation mark means space. So if error, you can leave a space. If there is error, you can leave a space, like this one. So because there is an error, leave a space. Let's say this one also divided by 0. There is an error, so leave a space. There is an error, so leave a space. There is an error, leave a space. There is an error, leave a space. There is an error, also leave a space. Error, leave a space. Error, leave a space, as you see this one. But this one return to division of 20 divided by 2. As you see this one. This is how you can use IFERROR function in Excel. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe in order to get more important videos. Like, share, and comment. See you in the next video.